channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. I'm still kind of out of breath. I'm just getting in the house. I went grocery shopping and I just got finished bringing everything in. I went to Walmart because they have good prices on like everyday things that I need as far as groceries. And then I went to Kroger's because I like their produce better than Walmart. So let me show you what I got. All right, so what do we have here? We have some pancake mix, Pop-Tart, syrup, some oatmeal. This is mostly breakfast stuff. We got some peanut butter in the back, the creamy kind, some more Idaho potatoes. Those are life waters. Excuse my son, he wants to get in the video today as well. Let's see, we got some cheese. I love the block cheese for macaroni and cheese to shred it. It tastes a lot better than the pre-shredded one. I don't know, I could just be crazy. Of course, you know, I got the Gatorades. I only love the orange kind. I needed some more beef broth. I already have the chicken one. Some Italian dressing, because that's what I make my pasta salads with, and I am a pasta salad fiend. White bread, wheat bread. I'm trying to transition to just wheat bread, but the kids know the difference. So that's that. We got some grapefruit here. Some of the kids' juice. So we got some mango, some fruit punch, some apple juice. Of course, we got to stay with the popcorn. What else do we have? Some more life waters. Excuse the mess in the back. We got some more of these. Oh, bless you, bless you. We got some more of these little pizzas. Some cereal, bacon bits. If you haven't tried these bacon bits, they are the business. It tastes just like, well, it is bacon. But these are so much better than like the ones that come in a little jar or the bottle. Some more yogurt for the kids. Eggs, bread, flour, cream cheese, more tuna, tomatoes there in the back. Then we got some lunch meat. I think I just picked up some ham and turkey for sandwiches. And then I got 2 more boxes of spaghetti. All right, going on to the next one, the island. We got some more cuties, some Lunchables. What is this? Oh, some grapes. We have some more pancakes. Some chips, just snacks and things like that. Some milk and some sweet tea. We got just some plain grits, some pears, some lemon, some whipped cream. Yeah, so I got the fruit and stuff from Kroger's because their stuff just seems to be more fresher than Walmart. So some more waters for me. Pancakes on a stick. These are a time saver if you're on the go. Just heat them up. You can put them in a car. I got this for the cabinet under the sink with all of the, you know, the chemicals and stuff in it because he's starting to spray it. Then I picked up 2 sheets for Nasir. And then the last thing I got for Nasir, which is supposed to be a birthday present, but he was crying, so I gave it to him early. It's these sunglasses. How cute are these sunglasses? Last thing that I picked up was some juice. And then these boxes over here are cases of Nasir's milk. He is on a special type of milk, so I order it in bulk because they don't sell them at the stores. And with shipping now, because of the virus, I just go ahead and order it in bulk. And this is the type of milk that he's on, is the Pediasure Peptide 1 calorie. So yeah, that is all I got. Nothing too crazy. I didn't buy any meats because we're pretty stocked up on meats right now. I think the bill came to about $200, $250 altogether. Yeah, $250 altogether, but that's because I bought some non-food stuff. I bought a present for Malachi. My son is turning 4 on August 1st, so next weekend. I didn't want to show it because I ran and hid it as soon as I got in the house, but it's a skateboard. He's been wanting this thing for a while now. So I finally found one in Walmart that was like the beginners. It's like a flexi I don't know. I don't know anything about skateboarding. I don't know about skateboards, but apparently it is for beginners. Now I have to find protection. Okay, I need a helmet, even though he already has one, but it's a hand-me-down, so it's kind of girly. So I need to find him a nice helmet. I need to get knee pads, elbow pads, and I heard that they have wrist guards too. And I feel like he's gonna need all of that because he's very reckless. He doesn't have any fears and he's just gonna go for it. I know he's just gonna go for it. So I'm expecting a lot of scrapes. Hopefully no broken bones. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And I also got a calendar because I am doing a command center. I have a calendar already, but this one was kind of kiddie. I had it for a while. And I wanted a more sophisticated one since it is going to be on display in the kitchen. And I won't show that either because I'm going to have a command center, DIY command center up very soon. So I'll be on the lookout for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and put this stuff up now. Now that all the food is put away, as you can see, my pantry is a complete mess. I mean, it's just stuff everywhere. So I am about to take my time and organize it so everything fits in a little bit better and I can actually see what I have. So this is the end result. Much better. All right, so that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.